Hello everyone, welcome back to Banta Music. We're going to learn how to play a simplified version of the Steamboat. This is a classic traditional 6A march, and if you're just learning the scales, this is a really good exercise that is a fun one. And if you are just past the scales and you're learning like grace notes or even just a little bit ahead, again, this is really good practice for you. So from the high A. One more time. And with the next bar, you're going when you blow into the chanter, you're going to do the G grace note, which is this finger. If you don't know that, so let's start on that second bar. One more time, low A. And then on the third bar, you'll be doing the same thing as with the second bar. As soon as you blow into the chanter, you're going to do a thumb tap because you're already playing high A. So in this bar, you're literally playing the scale downward. So that's just the way that it's written. Just look a little bit different without having the notes grouped together. So let's try that again from the high with the thumb tap. And then the fourth bar at the end of that line. One last time. So that's the first line. And if you look at the first three bars of the second line, it is the replica of the first three bars of the first line. And then the last bar in the second line is different because that's the end of the first part. So from the beginning of the second line, and then we'll go into the second bar. And third bar. And the fourth bar only has four notes in it. But the little grace note that you see before the second low A is just a quick low G tap. That's all it is between the two low A's. From the E. So that's how you play the first part. And then the second part is on a little bit more on the top hand. So let's start from the B. One more time. And then into the second bar with a grace note as soon as you blow into the chanter on that E. Once more. And then onto the third bar. One more time. And the fourth bar. One more time. And then with this second part, you'll notice that the first two bars of the last line are the same as the two above them. The third bar, however, is the same as this the second to last bar in the second line. So don't play the third bar from the third line, because that is incorrect. So just be aware of that. So from the end, or from the beginning of the fourth line, go straight through to the ending of the second bar. And then the last two bars. That is a simplified version of 6/8 March Steamboat. This is a very traditional classic tune, and it's really not that difficult. It's one of the more easier 6/8s, and a lot of people in the novice and lower level grades will play this tune because it's very fun. It has a fantastic swing to it. So I will put this tune up on the website under resources, and I will also combine I will group the respective notes together so it's a little bit easier to read. It will look a little bit different than this. So if that is the way you're used to reading it, that's fine. I will put both of these up so that in case you want to work on this specific format, that is fine. And if you also want to work with the one where the notes are grouped together like they would be in the regular Pi music, I will put that up as well. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Give the video a like, and we'll see you in the next one.